Action. You know.
Hey यार क्या तुमने ये मोमेंट जो खराब किया है?
Okay, 3, 2,
Say
1.
rolling again.
Action. The weight of the film Bhool Chuk Maaf taught you something.
यार मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताऊं. It did nothing to me.
If you were not an actor, have you ever thought about a life outside of that?
I would love to do nothing in my life. कुछ महीने पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं थोड़ी सी करप्ट हो गई थी. And by corrupt, I don't mean corrupt like in an evil way. Corrupt as in I started thinking about things that didn't matter. And I was again getting into the rat race. And my mother was so happy. They're like, Vamika, they were paying me 5.5 lakh per month. At that time, Jaya Bachchan ji. It was an amazing experience working with her. Obviously, I didn't know her before, so I was a little scared. But she was my best friend. Yeah, okay. So when I was shooting for Baby John, the last scene with Salman Khan, I was so overwhelmed that I'm shooting with him.
यार ambition और peace एक साथ कैसे जाते हैं?
सब हो जाता है. आपकी ambition है क्या life में? Is it?
Question to you actually.
मेरा तुमसे इतना है कहना, बस मेरे ही रहना, नहीं तो समझे. I mean, obviously this show deserves all the awards. And I'm so happy for you. This is really beautiful, and I hope you keep making these beautiful conversations with people that come and talk to you. But yeah, that whosoever she talks, and I love that she wants to move on.
Thank you so much. That means the world to us. But
she's the Ajay of the year.
यार आप लोगों ने कहा था बहुत वक्त से that y'all need, not even want, need Vamika, our premika on Just Too Filmy, and here she is. Hi, welcome Titli.
Thank you.
How's it going?
This is what I do now.
This is what you're doing. But it's been a beautiful journey, I must say. And let me talk about the fact that how this girl really makes things happen. From being in a film to being in another film that has a song of that film. These are like manifestations at work.
Magical.
I have to start with that, okay? Because I know Bhool Chuk Maaf released, we all went to the theatres and saw it. In fact, we waited a long time to watch it. So, but that was so beautiful when I saw that song on the screen. And I think that was the power of manifestation.
I guess, I mean, ये manifestation word तो मुझे बहुत देर बाद पता चला. Now when I look back, I think, oh, I was already like, I was doing all the things required for manifesting things. But I didn't know that I was manifesting. But yeah, man, it's very overwhelming that what happened, how it happened. And what I felt, I'm like, what? We're shooting this?
Yeah.
And I remember when Chor Bazaari was getting released, I messaged Imtiaz sir, I sent him the song. And I sent him the clip of la 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 la. I said, "Do you remember this?" First I sent him that. He said, "Oh, I had forgotten this. This is you, Choti Wali." I'm like, "Yeah." And then I sent him the link of the song.
Oh my God.
And then I sent him a voice note. I said, "I cannot tell you how I'm feeling right now. And I wanted to wait for the song to release to tell you this. Okay, the song, this is what I've done." And I said, "It just feels surreal that this is happening, and for me it's a big moment, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being part of my life. You didn't even know that you were being such an important part of my life, but I'm so glad you are." And he sends a voice note back telling me that he says a lot of things that I remember. He was talking about the shooting days, and then last में he says कि घूम फिर के बात यहाँ खत्म होती है कि well done Vamika. And I was like, thank you.
Well done, Vamika. I think that's going to be the thumbnail of this video as well, because well done. There was, of course, I think so interesting, right? Because I think when you're young, आपको मार खा लेनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जब आप, you know, when you get better and older, you know it all, okay? And I feel like the weight of the film Bhool Chuk Maaf taught you something. What did it teach you? I really want to know, because किसी भी एक्टर के साथ जब ऐसा होता है that ये आपके कंट्रोल के बियॉन्ड है, उससे आप कुछ सीख सकते हो. क्या सीखा?
यार मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताऊं, it did nothing to me.
Oh, beautiful, amazing.
I have seen enough in life to not be affected by this. it was a very big moment for me. I could have been crushed. I could have gone through multiple feelings, but I did not.
How?
Because again, I've seen enough. I've been rejected too many times. I've seen things being promised and then not happening. I have put all my faith into projects where I thought this will just change my career or change my life, and it did not. That I understood that it's not in my control. And in all of that, my growth was still happening.
Yeah.
Slow and steady. But it was
I remember
still
you in
happening.
Grahan, man. Like, I remember that. That was 5 years ago. I remember that show. And that was a fabulous show. I just feel कि उस show का वो वक्त नहीं था.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But I still, I meet so many people who talk about Graham. And somehow I also feel that more people should have watched
I agree
Graham.
with you. I agree with you.
And it's not something जो आप अभी भी देख सकते हो. But whosoever has watched it, when they talk to me about it, there's something, some feeling that they're talking with. It's very personal. I don't know. Graham did something to them.
It really did. Yes.
You know?
Yes. Yes.
And Mr. Ranjan Chandel, the director, I'm so lucky to have worked with him, to have learned so much from him. And the experience that I had shooting with him was beautiful. So yeah, man, Graham is, I just wish that more people
will watch it, and that's the attempt here. I also want to talk about the fact that we haven't spoken ever, so this is sad, but it's also happy because chalo ek saath sare sawal pooch leti hu. I want to go back to Jubilee, and I want to say that for those who discovered you in Jubilee, it was quite a moment. I think not just for you personally, but also for OTT. ऐसा show कभी आया ही नहीं था. And a lot of people thought that was your breakthrough show, and that was, because that year I remember the sort of accolades, the roundtables that you were on, and I was personally very happy for you, obviously, because I was like, I know this actor, man. मैं उसको जानती हूँ, मैंने इसका काम देखा है इससे पहले. But what people don't realize that you were not an overnight success, and I think that I want to take a minute to talk about that. What happens before a breakthrough and what happens after? What have you analyzed? कुछ किया analysis?
I think a lot of self-realization happened for me before the breakthrough. And I felt कि जैसे जैसे मेरी एनर्जी क्लीन हो रही थी एंड जैसे जैसे मैं अपने आप पे और काम कर रही थी और माई होल फोकस शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम बीइंग द हीरोइन, द एक्टर, द फेम एंड नेम एंड गेम व्हाटएवर टू just focusing on becoming a good person, trying to understand my own self, who I am, why am I like this, the childhood things, the childhood habits that continue, and you don't realize why you're behaving like this or why you're reacting like this. I think as soon as I started working on all of that and started resolving myself, my energy must have changed, and I just started attracting good people in my life.
Really?
I've experienced it.
Thank you for being honest and so personal about it. I never get this answer in an interview, I'll tell you that.
I experienced it.
Mm-hmm.
तो मुझे तो ये समझ में आ गया कि तो काम ही बहुत easy है. You just have to work on yourself.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only thing. And I think जैसे जैसे मैं वो कर रही हूँ, अभी ना मैं कुछ महीने पहले कुछ महीने पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं थोड़ी सी करप्ट हो गई थी. And by corrupt, I don't mean corrupt like in an evil way. Corrupt as in I started thinking about things that didn't matter. And I was again getting into the rat race. I was again thinking about that. But it lasted for only 1 or 2 weeks because it started getting to me. And I was like, wow, 1 second. What's happening? Why am I getting into it again? This is not my... And I've been there a few years back also where it doesn't help. It does not help you at all.
But when you say corruption, or what is the rat race? What do you focus on instead of what you should be focusing on?
When I say corruption, I mean corruption in your peace. You understand? You can just, like now, if I have any problem with anyone, like since a few years, this is what I've been practicing. If I have any problem with anyone, I just work on myself. It sounds very ajeeb कि किसी के साथ प्रॉब्लम है तो खुद के साथ ये काम करना है, But if you really think about it and you understand that the problem that you are having with somebody might be an issue with yourself that you need to resolve within yourself, you know. And that has really helped me resolve my issues. That by just understanding myself, it has resolved my issues with so many of people around me. At one time, I started, I think, सबके आता ही है सबकी लाइफ में, जहाँ पे आपको आपके पेरेंट्स को ही थोड़ा ऐसे लगने लग जाता है कि क्या आपकी पुरानी सोच ये वो, आप थोड़ा डिफर करने लग जाते हो. बट आई रिजॉल्व ऑल माई इन माई हेड, आई जस्ट रिजॉल्व इट खुद ही, कुछ कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Enlightenment has happened. Well, that's amazing because
Yeah.
I don't think anyone approaches their work with an internal perspective.
But
Work
that's
is
all about
external,
it.
but you have managed to do that. And how are you so smart and so enlightened at such a young age? Zara बताओ.
I don't know. I feel
किसके
very
साथ
lucky.
है ये प्रभाव किसका हो सकता है?
ऐसे एक इंसान का नहीं होता यार,
बहुत
बहुत
सारे.
सारे. जैसे I'll tell you, I think I understood a few things from maybe Ranjan Chandel because he's an animal lover. So that perspective about loving animals in all its forms, it came from him. Then listening to Osho came from Vishal sir and Rekha ma'am. Now ये सब बातें तो हो गई. इससे पहले knowing yourself and working on yourself, जो सबसे पहला सीड आया था, that was from Atul Mongia sir. Just
Of
3 day का
course.
workshop.
Of course.
It just opened something. And ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक के साथ वो हो जाएगा. That's why I feel
सबकी
very
की
lucky
जाएगी.
that all these things happened, and then I attracted all these energies which were just talking about the right kind of things that I needed. And I was just getting everything on this path. And it just gave me more and more peace, and I understood all I want is peace.
Great.
Baki all I can do is just do my best. And then क्या है यार?
यार
to be very
ambition और
honest.
peace एक साथ कैसे जाते हैं?
सब हो जाता है.
Mhm.
आपकी ambition है क्या लाइफ में? Is it?
Question to you actually.
I don't know, yaar. Do I really need to have an ambition in life for me to feel validated then by myself, or feel that I am really good enough because then one day I'll be able to achieve that? I don't know. Is that really important? So many people have achieved so many, they're dead. They're dead. When you die, you die.
You die, of course.
So I think that realization really, just if somebody asked me today that where do you see yourself in 5 years, I have no answer. I don't want to create that perception about myself that this is where I see myself. What if God has something better planned for me?
Of course.
And I am just like stuck in this small goal of mine. God लगा मैंने तुम्हारे लिए क्या सोचा, तुम ये goal लेके बैठ गए. You know what I mean? So I feel कि let's see what happens na in life. ऐसे कौन सा तुम plan कर लोगे तो वही हो जाएगा. It's not possible anyway.
But because you've been an actor from such a young age, my question to you is, if you were not an actor, have you ever thought about a life outside of that?
Like how to earn money?
No. What would you love to do?
Nothing. I would
Correct.
love to do nothing.
Oh, that's the answer.
Yeah.
When you say I'd love to do nothing, it means you don't want to do anything.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
love to do nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would love to just live my life around rescued animals. Obviously, if I knew that everyday food was sorted for them and me, and our छत है एक और रह सकते हैं और खुला आसमान और खुली जमीन है, I would love to do nothing in my life.
Really?
Just, yeah.
How lovely. How lovely.
I love it. I can't wait. I'm working so hard to achieve that.
That is
One
the
day,
goal.
I will do nothing.
I have a very fun segment for you.
Yes,
okay, and
please.
this is called, of course, Spill It or Save It. I'm going to give you confessionals. But remember, if you skip more than 3, then you have to show me an unseen photo.
Unseen photo.
Okay, this is Confessions with Vamika Gavi. I hope this is going to be fun for you guys. Number 1, a role you almost said no to, and then you were happy.
G2. There's this Telugu film that I'm doing called
Mhm.
Budachari 2.
Mhm.
So the first time I met them, I had said no to them. Then they came to me the second time and I said yes.
Oh.
Because there were few changes that were made to the story and it just changed everything.
That's a
You know, the idea to say no comes after a very long time in your career. How did that feel?
Oof. But एक बात बोलूं, मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Even when I was in 11th class, the few people came to Chandigarh to audition for Sony TV and Colors TV serials. And I got finalized. And they spoke to my parents and they said, आपकी बेटी के बड़े बड़े posters होंगे पूरे बॉम्बे में और पूरे इंडिया में. And my mother was so happy. They're like, Vamika, they were paying me 5.5 lakh per month at that time. My mom was so happy. Almost a crore, she's like, in a year. She's like, आधे करोड़ से ज़्यादा बन जाए. And but I'm not. I mean, my mom, my chachi, my dadi, they love watching TV. It's like they've, and I know how much craze there is for TV serials. But for some reason, I was a fan of Devdas, and I just knew I didn't want to do that. So for a girl who's in 11th class to say no to 5.5 lakh rupees per month, and to work and to be in front of the camera and be lead in a TV series, it was nothing less, right? But I said no.
That's amazing.
And even after
It's
that,
inspiring. Mm.
in Bombay also, there's so many times where I feel like, no, I'm not worth this. I will do better. And I said no, even when I didn't have anything. So,
Amazing.
yeah.
A co-star who totally surprised you in a good way. Like you were like, wow, ये तो मैंने expect ही नहीं किया था.
Jaya Bachchan ji. It was an amazing experience working with her. Obviously, I didn't know her before, so I was a little scared. But she was my best friend.
She was your BFF, babe. This
and
is
she
amazing.
is so funny. She's
very
naughty. I'm telling you, I told her, I said, you're so naughty, ma'am. You like bully people. Huh? And then you laugh. And she would laugh like looking at me. And I'm like, Jaya,
She's like, ye dekh.
she's so much fun. I loved her. So she surprised me.
A scene in which you have totally faked your emotions. Okay, नहीं आ रहा था लेकिन तुम actor हो, तुमने कर लिया. ठीक है, लेकिन किसी ने notice नहीं किया. Where you actually acted. You were not feeling it, but you did it because ये मेरा job है.
Yeah, okay. So when I was shooting for Baby John, the last scene with Salman Khan, I was so overwhelmed that I'm shooting with him. But I think I just like did it. I just
Did
acted
my
it
job.
out.
You're
I
like,
just acted it
अंदर
out.
के feelings अंदर रखेंगी दीदी.
Yeah, I was full like, huh? Bomb. Yes. And I was looking, I said, ठीक है ना? All
सब
good,
ठीक
all
हुआ,
good.
yeah.
Everything was happening बहुत जल्दी में.
Hmm.
That last scene, जब कुछ ऐसे shots ले रहे थे, I think तब मुझे लगा कि मैंने कुछ नहीं feel किया कि bomb boom कुछ होने वाला है, फटने वाला है. I'm just acting it out.
Ever asked for more money
As in,
on a project and got it?
always.
I love it. I love the girls of today. We've been minting it, baby, and we know how much we're worth.
No, I think it's been a long journey.
Beautiful. It feels great to be in that position.
And there have been times in initial years of my career, initial, where people have really made me feel that, and not just me, even other women around me. I know that other actresses around me, that they're not worth the money that they were asking for, which was a very reasonable amount also. It was nothing as compared to what should have been given. And I remember feeling that way. It took me years to come out of that whole trauma and to come out of that self-doubt that was kind of inflicted in me through those kind of experiences.
Correct.
So now I think
Yeah.
that's good.
That's amazing. The first time you truly felt you belonged to the industry. And that's a beautiful moment.
I think it is when Jubilee premiere happened.
I can imagine.
Imtiaz sir was there and it just felt like a dream. Imtiaz sir is going to watch me as Nilofer on screen today. And suddenly they were everybody, from the industry, and so it just felt like a dream. I truly felt, and especially what happened after it was...
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful moment. Directors you were dying to work with.
Sanjalina Bhansali, Imtiaz Ali.
Yeah.
And Banga ji.
Okay. Film or series you wish you hadn't said no to.
ऐसे regret वाला तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
That's amazing.
To be very honest. But wait, let me think about it. क्या कुछ ऐसा था जो नहीं किया और बहुत सही गया? Nah,
never.
No.
Otherwise,
ये आ ही जाता मेरे दिमाग में कि हाँ, but नहीं.
A song that you secretly dance to in front of the mirror, even today.
है तो ये पुराना गाना, but I think I discovered it little late. मेरा तुमसे इतना है कहना, बस मेरे ही रहना, नहीं तो समझे.
I love that song. What a great song.
Every day I listen to this song, it's crazy. I think I'm gonna go mad.
I love it. Now we know what her secret playlist is like. One food that you'll never eat, no matter how hungry.
Wasabi is not food, but
Yeah.
anything with wasabi.
You don't like wasabi. Mhm.
I can't stand wasabi.
I want to ask you before we go. By the way, she did so well. She hasn't skipped a single confessional question. No one's done that on the show before. So congratulations. I think I should have
Fearless.
asked her like more.
Controversial questions. So कहीं तो मुझे आप
Controversial तो मैं हूँ नहीं
नहीं,
वैसे.
but कहीं तो मैं बोलती ना कि नहीं ये नहीं
Yeah,
बताऊंगी.
yeah. You are controversial for herself only. Before we go, Vamika, I do want to ask you, where do you see yourself as an actor today? Okay, where do you feel? How far have you come? And when you look back at your journey, especially the parts, and I know that you're still going to work in a Tamil film, and I know you're still going to work in a Punjabi film, and I think that's beautiful. What makes you still pick a project that is not Hindi language? Could you talk to us about that before we go?
Good people. Good people make me pick projects that they are making, and in that case, I don't really care what language it is. I just want to have a good time. I want to meet good people. I want to create magic. And with OTT and with the internet and with all the streaming platforms, it's if people say that only theatrical films, or if when people say that not only theatrical, only Hindi films are the biggest. No, now you make any content anywhere, and if it's good, you'll see it. The world can see it. So I want to work with good people. I want to create magic. And if somebody says that magic doesn't exist, then look, you are standing on a ball which is hanging in space. Don't tell me magic doesn't exist.
I love it. I love it. She's absolutely unhinged, guys. It's crazy how I have found Osho at some points to like Gen Z, okay, to like absolute girly energy. It's absolutely wonderful. I hope you stay this way.
Oh, thank
And
you.
I wish
hope so
you
too.
congratulations for, the fact that we're able to sit down and talk about a body of work. That means a lot. I know. Congratulations.
Thank you. I hope that I'll make like better choices in the future, and
You've
I
made
hope
great
you'll be even
choices so
more
far.
proud.
So, yeah, 100%. I don't doubt that for a second. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Vamika, and you are watching me on Just Too Filmy with Ro Talks.